Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video. This is a testimonial video about the Tradeline. I think you guys are going to definitely like this Tradeline video. And I must also mention, this is some good news. Listen up. We have an auto Tradeline that we will be releasing here soon. We just did the first upload, so that's going to take a little bit of time. But once this thing posts, every posting after that will be between 3 and 4 days before you should see it on your credit. But we're doing a test right now. I did not open this up to the public yet, so we just went ahead and put some people into this file, and we have to wait probably at least a month or so before it posts. But once it posts, I will be offering these to the public, so be on the lookout for that. Now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and kick right into this testimonial video. All right, Joe, so what did you call me to tell me today?
I just wanted to call and tell you I appreciate you for being an outstanding and upstanding businessman and a man of your word. You told me that if I purchased the Tradelines, that they would post in about 7 to 10 days. And on my Transunion file, and it wasn't even 5 days after I sent in my money that they posted. Actually, 4 days. Right. 4 days after I sent in my money, they posted, and I wasn't even looking. I just so happened to be logging into my Credit Karma account, and my scores went up, and I was like, What is this about? Wasn't checking for the Tradelines. I was just checking my scores because I was getting ready to do some credit repair work on it. And I looked and I said, what in the world? So then when I looked in the details, the itemized side of it, where it tells you, about your account histories and trades histories and stuff like that, right. I saw that there was 2 new Tradelines posted to my account, and I said, man, oh man, I said, I gotta call my guy. I gotta call Eric and let him know. So you bought 2 Tradelines? Yeah, I bought 2. And they correct.
both of those posted. Did you get a? So did your score? Did you get a bump and score?
Oh yeah. I was at a 650 before I started, and now it's saying it's a 760, 780, something crazy. Yeah. So the lines jumped you. Okay, so which lines did you purchase? I can't remember which ones you actually bought. So which ones did you purchase? I bought a small and a large.
So you bought the small and the large. Okay, so you got the small and the large, and so what it sounds like you experienced more than at least 100-point jump, almost, or better.
Correct. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah.
Oh wow. So you are definitely ready to go check out that video that I was telling you about. The video's got the Santa Claus holding the money in the video, where I show everybody how to navigate and how to utilize that Tradeline. A lot of people are sleeping on it, but I figured I'm just going to be doing these videos. We did have a rocky start when we rolled this out. So, I had to apologize to everybody in the video and whatnot. I spent a lot of money trying to get this thing right. So, I mean, to be honest with you, and I'm just going to say this in the video, I've not made a penny, not 1 cent in the 3 months that I've been doing this with these I've not made 1 penny, and I'm out of pocket about $20,000 on this Tradeline stuff, because I had to try to make it right for some people, and I probably got a few more people that I still got to come out of pocket for. But I got to do what I got to do, try to save my reputation and whatnot. But this round right here, I think it was a no hitch. Everything went as planned. So, and I'm happy that you got what you paid for, and I'm happy that you got the point jump that you were looking for. And so now I would imagine you're probably wanting to know, what can I do with this?
Yeah, I'm gonna go look for the Santa Claus video now.
Oh yeah. Go find the Santa Claus video. Here, let me go see what the video it's called. Let me see here. What is this video called? This video is called Go see what this video is called. It is called "Let Me Show You How to Get Funding with Our Primary Trade Line." That is the name of the video. So if anybody out there in YouTube land is watching this video, you guys, I will leave a link down in the description for this video right here. Let me show you how to get funding with our primary trade line. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So you got any parting words? You got anything that you could tell the people out here in YouTube land?
I just want to say I was very skeptical. I'm a very let me say it like this. I have trust issues when it comes to dealing with people in this area, trade lines. I don't know how many times my money has gotten taken, doing this, but I know that it works because I've had it performed before, but it was like 8 years ago, and now I finally found somebody that's doing what they say they can do again. So, only thing I can say, Mr. Eric, that you can lead people to the water, but you can't make them drink. So I know they say a horse, but I'm saying people. But yeah, you're the best. I hope people take advantage of this because I don't know, nothing lasts forever. So this is a great thing. I know at some point it's got to end, but this is amazing service, customer service, and the product that you're rolling out. It's amazing. So I just want to say I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, seriously.
And I appreciate you taking a shot on me. And that's going to do it for this video. So remember to like this video, share this video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.